Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sumbul Chaudhary and today's video is going to be all about PAC Pigment Tower. Before starting the video, I would like to request you to please consider subscribing my channel. I'm a professional makeup artist and a certified skin therapist. So if you're interested in skincare and makeup, you might like my content. So as you know by the title of the video, it is about PAC Pigment Tower. I have created this beautiful smoky glittery eyes using this. Let me just show you the packaging first very quickly and then we'll talk about it. So outer packaging is very typical PAC Cosmetics packaging. It is of cardboard, black and white, mention all the ingredients and stuff we need to know like price and all. Inside it is of plastic, not glass. It looks good but it is of plastic, which I like. Now let me quickly show you the tutorial of this smoky glittery eyes, and after that I will swatch all the pigments on my hand and I will tell you the good and the bad thing about this product. So without further ado, let's get started. Tada! I'm already done with my eyebrows. Now I'll start with prepping my eyes with this light color concealer. This is from Kryolan Supra Ivory. So I'm starting off with applying my transition shade. It is not exactly brown, it is more of a pink side, magenta-ish, and as you can see I'm doing circular motion. With same brush I have added little bit of brown and blending it in circular motion again. Now I am using my Kiko Milano eyeshadow stick in color black and I will blend it out. Smoky eyes is all about blending, so keep on blending till you bleed. Now for all the sharp edges I have added little bit of orange with my blending brush. Now from PAC Pigment Tower you can literally use any color, but I am choosing this second one because I was attracted to it. This is how the insides look. Just be very careful, otherwise it will get everywhere. Now wetting my brush with fixing spray, I am picking up the product. You can see it is not a lot. Lightly dabbing on the center and blending it out all over my lid. Honestly, I was a little bit surprised with the payoff. I loved it. Now I will quickly do my base. Now for lower lash line I'm using same Kiko Milano eyeshadow for my waterline, and I'm going to blend it with brown eyeshadow using this pencil brush. For my lashes also I have used PAC Cosmetics Mink 75. Now I will quickly do my hair and my lips. I was very happy with the look. I was very happy with the product. That's it for the tutorial, guys. Now you have seen that how the payoff is with the brush already, which is quite good. Now I will show you the payoff with my fingers on my arms from top to bottom. I don't know why, for some reason the first one was not coming out, so I redid it at last. This is the one that I have used on my lids. I just love this color. This is not silver, this is not gold, this is somewhere in between. It's beautiful. I don't know how to describe this color, but it is more towards bronze but not that dark. And here we have beautiful rose gold. This is golden, which I like to use on my brides. And this last one is very unique. It has this pink undertone. So these are the colors. I'm loving my hand right now. It is beautiful. So that is it for the swatches, guys. Now I will tell you the good and the bad thing about this product. I will tell you the bad first. So the bad thing is the packaging. I did not like the packaging. It's very flimsy. Even right now when I have swatched, it is everywhere. So packaging is little flimsy. It could have been better and sturdy, which is not. So you have to be like super careful while applying it and using it, because it can get everywhere. Now let's talk about the good thing about this product. The first thing that I love about this product is that it is very pigmented. You know, a product like this could be very difficult to work with, like pigment wise, but this is smooth. I love it. Second amazing thing about this product is that it is not creasing at all. As you can see, I'm having this on for like almost half an hour now, and I've used thick eyeshadow also. So keeping all that in my mind, I can say this is amazing that it's not creasing at all. So 2 thumbs up. And last but not the least, it is offering you 7 colors, guys. 7 beautiful pigmented colors. This product can easily replace your glitters. And as I said before, I am saying it again, PAC is one of my favorite brand, because with this brand you buy one product and you're sorted. I'm sorted with 7 colors. This is going to last me forever. This is going to last you forever. And it retails for 19.95 only, which is not a lot for the quantity and the quality they are giving. So my final verdict is yes, you should have this if you are a makeup lover or a professional makeup artist like me, because if you have this, you are sorted. And that's it, you guys. This is it for the swatch, for the tutorial, for the review of PAC Pigment Tower. I hope you all like this video, and if you do, please consider subscribing, like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to check my Instagram handle. It's with the name of Makeup by Samul Chaudhary. See you next time. Bye.